welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rachel. If you guys are new to my channel, this is your first time here, I just want to say thank you guys for stopping by, and sorry that it's been a while since I posted a video. I just have been super busy. I picked up a lot of patients at my job, and so I'm so swamped. But anyways, I just wanted to share this really quick video of my fall home tour. I only decorate like my living room, my dining room, a little bit of my kitchen, and then my entryway. So that's all you're gonna see in this video because I don't decorate the entire house. I would like to, but right now I'm just not there yet. And as you will see, it's very simple, just very fall inspired, you'll see. But I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so here is what the outside looks like, and sorry, everything is really dirty around it. Like, I need to wipe down like this area here, but I'll worry about that later. But this is what it looks like, and I know it's hard to see because of the sun, but this is the mat I got from Kirkland's. I've had it for like, I don't know, a couple of weeks now, and that's what it looks like. But it's really pretty. It's everything I wanted, and it can be outside because I really am into the buffalo check, which you guys will see in a sec. But it has that along with like the brown welcome here. I just really like that. It kind of ties in with my wreath, which this is a wreath that I made myself from like this I don't know, burlap ribbon that I found at the store about 2 years ago now. And then I added this ribbon, which it's all squished because I have this door that lays on it, but that's the ribbon. And by the way, they do sell this at I think I got it at Hobby Lobby, in case you guys are wondering where it came from. And that is my wreath right now. So I like the way that it really matches my mat. And then when you open the door, you will see, yes, I am in love. Oh, hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. I am in love with the buffalo check, the black and white. And yes, I did get this from Hobby Lobby. I think it was about $18 or something like that. You know, and then you can use the 40% off coupon, at least at the time when I bought it. So I got that, and then right here in my little entryway, I just have a round mirror from, which this is a smaller mirror. I really want to get a bigger one, but this is from Target. And then on my little entryway here, I've got just this really pretty pumpkin that I've had, I think, for like 2 years, and got it from Target Dollar Spot. I think this was Dollar Tree. And then another Dollar Tree pumpkin maybe. And then this I picked up from Hobby Lobby this year, in case you guys are wondering. I really like the burnt orange right now, and also the green. So you'll see that a little bit in my house. Okay, so right here you will see my Happy Pumpkin Spice Season pillow, and I'm kind of using it to cover. There's like 1,000 wires back here, so pretend like y'all don't see that, but I'm trying to use it to cover that. And I just got this really pretty throw from Amazon. I ordered it, and then the basket, and I just think it looks really cozy and pretty, and I love to cuddle up with the blanket at night, so I got that. That sits beside my TV. And so I just have my TV here, and then I have, it's just really simple. I didn't want too much going on here, but I just have my 2 candle pillars that I always have. I have this really pretty pumpkin, and let me see if I can light it up for you guys. Okay, there it is lit, but it's really pretty, and you probably can't even see the details in it, but this is a really pretty pumpkin. Like a mercury glass pumpkin. Well, no, it's not a mercury glass. It's just like a blown glass pumpkin, but it's really pretty and it lights up. And then I got over here just this little filler stuff I've got from, I think it was Ross, and it smelled like pumpkin something or other, but it's kind of lost its smell, but I did purposely buy it because you can always put essential oils to refreshen the scent. So I do have that. And then I just have this really cute little Dollar Tree pumpkin here. I do have a little bit, just a little bit of pumpkin stuff going on here. So I got one small little pumpkin here. And then over here I got this little tree stump that says bless. I thought it was a tree stump. I really think now looking at it, it's a pumpkin, but I like it nonetheless, so I'm gonna keep it year round. So I got that. Okay, so over here is my fireplace. This is my clock that doesn't work. It's always stuck on almost 2 o'clock, so don't mind that. But this is my fireplace area. This is what it looks like. So over here I just have a Dollar Tree sign. It says welcome to our patch. And then I just have this little basket full of different pumpkins I got from I think it was Hobby Lobby, Target, Dollar Spot, maybe Michael's too, I'm not sure. But I just have a different array of pumpkins sitting inside of it, different colors, so I like that. And then over here I have a candle that I bought these from Amazon, and it's one of those flickering candles with the wick that flickers, and so it really looks like it's on, especially at night. I love having that in the fireplace because it feels like the fireplace is on, but there's no heat because it is super hot here in Texas. And then I do have this grateful sign I got from Michael's, and a couple of pumpkins. I think I picked the 2 big ones up from Walmart, and if you look really close you will see that we did a terrible job painting it. Used to be, I think it was like a, oh, this one was actually orange, and this one was like a off-white. And you know what, it works. I kind of like how you can kind of see through this one. And my daughter was helping me, my 5-year-old was helping me paint it. I love that it's not perfect, and that is what it looks like. This is right here above my couches, what it looks like. So this, I just have a frame that I am still trying to get some picture printed and put in there. This is a little DIY pumpkin that I did from the Dollar Tree. I think it was like $3 altogether with 2 stems, and I just painted one of those, you know, the simple dollar orange pumpkin that they have, and I just painted it. And then here I have a banner from the Target Dollar Spot, which I love. It's the wooden ones. And then a little pumpkin too. And then I just have some pillows on here. Of course, the buffalo check I gotta have. And then this one I think I got from Big Lots. They had like this style going, so I went ahead and picked up that one. Here I have a just a little display here with eucalyptus leaves in the vase. And again, I've got some more of the flickering candles. I have my diffuser here, little pumpkin. This I have here just because the color I like I said, I'm into the green right now. This is fresh balsam, and I feel like it's too early to burn just yet, so I just like the color, so I have that there with the copper. And then I got this really pretty Hello Fall sign from the Target Dollar Spot, and I really like this the buffalo check or gingham print on it. And then I have this really pretty pumpkin also from the Dollar Spot at Target. Okay, so underneath this table we do keep books, colors, puzzles, and I try to keep it like seasonal if we can. So I wanted to show you really quick. She's got Where's the Pumpkin. We've got a couple of books from the Target Dollar Spot. And then also, oh, these are her favorites. She loves Pete the Cat. And then, oh, also this one. This is like her ultimate favorite when she was in daycare. The Little Old Lady Who Was Not Afraid of Anything. This is a really good one if you guys like seasonal books. That's a really great one. Okay, so I have like this little, this big actually vase that is filled with pumpkins from Target Dollar Spot, and I even think Dollar Tree, they had this little bag of fillers last year and I picked that up. And then this is from Target Dollar Spot. I just kind of liked it, the way it wraps around the vase. And then I just have my pumpkin salt and pepper shakers here, and I just think they look really pretty. So my Keurig coffee spot area is the other section of my kitchen that I just kind of decorated ever so slightly. As you can see, I've got basically just my Keurig, and then I have my Ray Dunn coffee canister and sugar canister, and then this really pretty pumpkin, morning pumpkin in the back, and then this Dollar Tree pumpkin in the front. I think that was Dollar Tree. I really love the tree stump here. I like the way it looks, and so I just wanted it simple this year, so that's all that I have going on for this. Okay, and then the last part of my kitchen that I have any kind of decor in is right above my stove and below it. So I have these really pretty towel sets that I got from, I think it was Target Dollar Spot this year. And of course you see the buffalo chuck, and then I also have this, this one came from the Dollar Tree, and I don't know, I just liked it a lot for $1. I thought that was a really good deal. It's just hanging above my, my stove. And then the last thing I have is one of my favorite fall candles burning right now. This is Marshmallow Fireside. And if you guys haven't burnt this one, it's a really good smell. It basically smells like s'mores, like marshmallows burning in the fire. So this is a really nice one if you guys like that type of smell. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.